My name is Dave Butler. I am the Customer Success Manager with PageOptimizer Pro, and today we're going over how to get EEAT information with your PageOptimizer Pro reports. When you are creating a POP Pro report, you can find the EEAT Signals Analysis checkbox at the very bottom here. If you are generating a POP custom report, you can find it on the second step just below the Google NLP API checkbox here. Regardless of how you choose to generate your report, please remember that Google EEAT analysis will be generated separately from your report itself. This can take an additional 5 minutes on top of the report generation process itself. Now that our EEAT signal information has generated, let's review the information contained within this particular tab. Under the Your Page section, entities that have been found on your page will be marked as present. However, this is also the section where you will receive recommendations as to what EEAT signals to add to your page. If two of your competitors have used a particular EEAT signal, it will be recommended for you to add to your page. EEAT signals that are present on your page will be marked as present. EEAT signals that are absent from your page will be marked as absent, and to the direct right of this will be accompanied by an Add to To-Do List button. This allows you to add that particular EEAT signal to your workstation to-do list. For each of these EEAT signals, you can click on them and receive a brief synopsis explaining what that EEAT signal is and how to add it to your page. For example, with copyright, we can click here under the Your Page section, or we can click it inside of our Competitor 1 section. Either way, we get the information that we need. Now you know everything you need to know in order to get started with the EEAT Signals tab and EEAT inside of PageOptimizer Pro. As always, I hope you have a wonderful day and happy optimizing!